On a hike today. Stay tuned. Hell's Hollow, Butler County, Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania. Got some cool history. Take a look at that. Here's Hell's Hollow Creek. They call it Hell's Hollow Creek because this turns into 100-foot gorge here at the way down. We're gonna try and find it.
Joey, I'm gonna jump on this.
We're from a professional YouTuber today.
Yeah.
We're going on a hike, a YouTube meetup.
Yeah, there we go.
Johnny's channel is professional YouTuber. So we're going on a hike.
We'll just see. I'm gonna do little cuts. I got a video editing app.
So we're gonna try and find the 100-foot gorge. Stay tuned. So we're coming up to where we gotta go.
Waterfall. No, there's real luck. But
so we're gonna go to the falls. So we're gonna go to the falls. Half a mile walk almost.
It says falls is this way, right?
Yeah, you.
Well, it's actually a beautiful day.
Yeah, it is.
Definitely,
perfect.
Here we go. Look at your death. Joey's going swimming. There's some fucking
run off stream.
I know one of our buddies.
We're obviously starting to get higher in elevation now. Flowing pretty good. That'd be perfect for like a little canoe or something. Dude, that's fucking perfect. Yeah, they just got done running too. It's raining. Like this. The smell is so intense of a forest. Got more spillways coming into the creek there, so we're going to get towards the end, and I guarantee you it's going to be something to see, so stay tuned. Beautiful. Let me go up and get a view from over here. Trying to keep the bears out. I got him winded. Go this way up there. Let's try it. Oh, this is too easy. That water's just flowing out of there. Come though, that is not the falls, but it's definitely a hike to get there. It's good. Why not? Oh wow, this is getting intense. This is awesome. Let's see. There it is. Yeah, that's definitely a climb. Just go slow and you'll be good. I'm sure there's better ones coming up than that, so get used to that one.